Hello children, so let's start the class. First, what we are going to make? First, we will make a circle and an oval for the crocodile. Okay? First तुम लोग को एक सर्कल बनाना होगा, उसके बाद an oval. ठीक है चिल्ड्रन? ऐसे एक से slowly उसको डार्क मत करना. First, try to do lightly, make this circle, okay, and then an oval. So light करके करना. Okay, what we are going to make? First, we are going to make one line like this. From here, we are going to make one line till here. See children? Now we will make done. Okay. See children, this is the structure. Done children. Now we will join these two lines. See, we will join these two lines. Okay. Now this one also we will join. We will join this line. See children, we will join this line here. Okay. So next we will extend these two lines like this. We are going to extend this line like this. I am doing light children. Okay, no need to make dark. एकदम lightly करना, dark मत करना. ठीक है children? ठीक है? So this is the structure. Now we are going to make the detail part. Okay, detailing part we are going to make. So first what are we going to make? First we will start from the face. Now here we are going to erase. See, this portion we are going to erase now. Okay, इसका जरूरत नहीं है अभी, उसको erase कर देने से होगा. So we will erase these lines. See, मैंने उसको erase कर दिया. ठीक है, मैंने इसको erase कर दिया. अभी मैं यहाँ से शुरू करूँगा. ठीक है, we will start from here now. And this is the face. See, this is the face. So this is the middle line, and then here we will make the face like this. So now we will make the legs here. So this is the first leg, a small leg. Step by step we are doing. Okay children, see, and then this leg. So next we will make these legs. Actually this is hand. Okay, so this is the basic structure. And then here we will draw one line like this. Here we will draw one line. This here we will make the eyes. Very big eyes. Okay, very big eyes we are going to make here. And now we will make the legs properly. Okay, next now we will make here some curved line. Okay, now we will make here some curved line here. Okay, like this we are going to add some curved lines till here. Okay, then here one line again we will draw curved line from here. See children, till here. Now we will erase this line. So done. And here we will make three lines like this. Okay, here also we can give some lines. Here also we can give some lines. So, and now we will make some teeth here. Okay, like this. Very danger. Okay children, it's very danger. मैंने तो भाग लिया था, उसने मुझको घूर रहा था. ओके, सो मैंने भाग लिया. मैंने चॉकलेट भी उसको दे दिया और मैंने भाग लिया. ठीक है. So now we are going to wait. We are going to make the background. Okay, so here we are going to make some grass. So here I am going to make some grass, and here green. Okay, So he was playing here. Okay, he has friends, so he is playing here. Okay, so now we are going to color step by step. Okay, children, so let's start. First, I will use the dark green color, see, for the outlines. slowly ये बाहर नहीं जाना है कलर एकदम slowly करना होगा like this and this line also we will do. Wait, I will start from here like this. See, done. Okay, and here also we will do. Now this side. All the lines I will use the dark green color. Okay, so here this line I will use dark green color. Done. See, children, I am using the dark green color for the outlines. This line also, oh, that time I forgot to make this line. Okay, children, make this line here. Some curved lines you need to draw here. यहाँ पे कुछ line draw करना होगा, ठीक है children? I forgot that time, so you need to draw this line. Okay, so now I will erase. Oh, sorry, I will make the green color here. See, I have used the dark green color. Okay, now what I will do, oh, here also dark green. So now I will make this portion dark green. Okay, ये जो कर्व लाइन है ना उसमें मैं dark green यूज करने वाला हूँ, ठीक है. I will erase the dark green color. Oh, sorry, I will make here dark green color. So here we will use the dark green color like this. Here also we will use dark green color. So I have made the dark green color here. Okay, and now I will start the dark green color here. Okay, lightly I will do here light green color, step by step, slowly. See, the green color I will do. Teeth will be white. Teeth no need to color. Okay, so see, from one side I am using the dark green color. Okay, now we will use the light green color. Okay, now we will use the light green color here. See, children, here we will use light green color. Light green color. Okay, children, see, now we will do little bit setting. Okay, we will do little bit setting here. We will make little bit dark to light. See, So here I have used dark green. Now I will use little bit yellow here. Oh, here I forgot to give the green color. See? Eyes will be dark blue. Here, eyes will be dark blue. So now we will use this fluorescent color for the land. Okay, for the land I am using this color from one side. See children, from one side we will do step by step. So this portion we will use this body color. Okay, this fluorescent color we will do children. Okay, and the grass we will use dark green. Okay children, here grass we will use dark green. So yeah, ऐसे तुम लोगों को करना होगा. ठीक है children, I will complete this portion and I will give you a light blue color. Okay children, so like this you need to practice. So here I will give the dark green color. So now I will complete this portion. Okay, here I will use this body color and grass I will do. After that we will complete the sky color. A light blue color is very easy. Slanting direction I have completed the sky color and मैंने कुछ स्टोन भी ऐड कर दिया. देखो चिल्ड्रन, मैंने कुछ स्टोन एंड ग्रास दे दिया. ठीक है, ये कहीं पे घूमने के लिए जा रहा है. ठीक है, और अगर तुम्हारे पास कोई चॉकलेट है तो उसको दे देना. ठीक है चिल्ड्रन, ही इज वेरी हंग्री, ही इज गोइंग टू मीट हिज फ्रेंड. ओके, सो लाइक दिस यू आर गोइंग टू प्रैक्टिस एट होम. ओके, और नेक्स्ट क्लास में तुमको क्या चाहिए तुम कमेंट बॉक्स में मुझको दे देना. ठीक है चिल्ड्रन, एंड सब्सक्राइब द चैनल चिल्ड्रन. ओके, सो बाय बाय, कीप प्रैक्टिसिंग.